Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Monroe, Mann. Welcome to another episode of the F.A.M.E show. Today we're talking about F, which is financing. There's an amazing app called You Need a Budget. At first you're thinking, ugh, it's the last thing I need is a budget. Check out this app. They offer a 34-day free trial, and it's pretty awesome. And I've been using it for about 6 months, and it has changed the way that I approach my finances. I know where every single dollar goes. As a result, I spend much less, but that money goes so much further. The whole concept is that every dollar should have a job. Instead of just money coming into your checking account and you have no idea where it's allocated and then you just go out and spend, it allows you to say, okay, when 50 bucks comes in, you have to allocate all 50 before you spend any of it. You allocate all 50 of those dollars using the app, and it has both an app for your phone and a desktop version, and I use both of them because they're great. And it's so much fun to get paid now because I cannot wait to allocate the money. Okay, cool, I'm putting $3 into this fund. I'm taking $10 and I'm putting it here. I'm taking $20 and that's going here. And it keeps track of whether you're overspending for the month, underspending, do you have extra money? It's super fantastic. One of the best features is something called the age of money. And this is kind of coupled with the whole rich dad, poor dad thing that I discussed in a previous video. That your wealth is measured in time, not money. If you don't understand that, go watch the other video. But very briefly, the age of money feature on this app basically does that. And it shows you how long a dollar stays in your checking account before it gets spent. If you put in $1 a month ago and you didn't spend it for 30 days, your age of money will be 30 days. But if you put in $1 a week ago and then you spend it within 2 weeks, your age of money is 14 days. The idea is to get it up above 30 days and ideally up to 90 days. Because then you have got a very stress-free relationship with your money because you're not living paycheck to paycheck anymore. Money that you earned 3 months ago is only getting spent today. And money that you earn today is not going to get spent for 3 months. Anyway, it's a really amazing app. I heartily recommend it. It's called You Need a Budget. You can go online to youneedabudget.com or you can go to the App Store and download it. I recommend you do it. My one caveat, it's a little difficult to get to use at first. And I urge you to stick with it. If you need more than 33 days of a free trial, email them and ask them for an extra month or two. They'll probably give it to you. The good news is they have amazing customer service right in the app, right on the website. You just write them a message and they will help you, guide you through any problems you have. It took me about 2 months to really figure it out and to finally say this is awesome. Now it's been 6 months and I don't think I could survive without this app anymore. Please subscribe if you like these videos, click like, write a comment, join my email list at monroeman.com if you need legal services, monroemanlaw.com, and certainly check out my not-for-profit success community at breakdiving.org. Thank you very much. Bye.